I want to go over the basics of social webinar today and show you all the different views as well as some different options when you're using social webinar. So starting in the upper left corner, you see there's the MaestroConference logo, you see the name of the event, which is test. Going across the top of the screen, you'll see raise hands, which is 1 through 5, as well as hands down. You'll see breakouts, which you use for breakouts, and you'll see settings, where you can change your profile. So there's my profile, and you can save that or change that as you need to. You've got admin, which is the permissions tab, where you'll get to look at all the different permissions, which is talked about in another section, in another video. You'll be able to report an issue if you want to, so you can send in an issue. It'll have all that information. You can turn your chat sounds on or off, and you can finally log off. You'll have the conductor interface button, and this will bring up the conductor interface, so you can just bring it up when you're in social webinar and do various things that you would need to. Remember, you can always go to the conductor interface by going to the tab that it's on as well. You can select different features for video, so enable video, show everyone, and show hosts and presenters only. Now we get to the View tab. This is what you're going to use mainly to move around in social webinar. Before we get to that, I just want to point out the chat button in the bottom left corner. You've got the host chat and the everyone chat, so you can type different things to everyone if you want to, if you decide to turn on the everyone chat box. So currently we're in People View. People View is pretty simple. It'll show everybody if you so choose. There's another advanced section on People View, so if you want to take a look at that, you can see the different options you've got for that. But obviously the green line around the individual shows that they're talking. You've got Idea Board, where you can put various ideas and create various ideas if you want. So created a new idea there. People can vote on them up, down, as they see fit. And they can even add new ideas if they want to. So they can add ideas if they want to. You can allow that or not allow that. Again, the more advanced idea board settings are in another view. You've got poll view, where simply enough you can conduct polls and do some different things. Currently nobody has voted, so there's been no vote. And you can see that everybody could vote if they used their raise hands icon, their touch tone phone, or their keyboard. You've got an interactive browser, which is like a browser within a browser, so anybody can be on any portion of the web page you're directing them to. In this case, this is the MaestroConference web page, so you can be at the top or the bottom or any place, and the host can kind of direct you to different web pages as they see fit. You've got screen sharing, which normally you would go to another screen that you would share. So you would normally go to that other screen, but currently, if you screen share a screen share, it looks kind of like a hall of mirrors, where you're kind of holding up a screen share to a screen share. It looks pretty goofy. You wouldn't really want to stay on screen sharing when you're screen sharing. You definitely want to go to another screen so that everybody could see that. So that's something to keep in mind. You've got text editor main, and this is just a text editor document that everybody can type on. So your group can type on it. You can type on it if you want. You've got text editor breakout, which if there are no breakouts currently, it's going to send you back to text editor main. You can see that right there. You're in text editor breakout, but you're still in the main document. And then you finally got YouTube view, and YouTube view is just a view where you can play different YouTube videos.
Allows people to interact about what's in them.
You can play different YouTube videos. You can start and stop them and do some other things. There's another video on YouTube view. So that's the basics of social webinar and all the different views and some of the different functions you can do.